Introducing Next Pathway's Data Manufacturing Pipeline, an automated, end-to-end solution for preparing data for analytics and AI. The pipeline entirely removes the need for companies to field an army of developers to manually code or write ETLs to prepare data for consumption. The pipeline consists of two of our products, Cornerstone and Fuse. Cornerstone is a fully automated, metadata-driven ingestion engine that automates the ingestion, standardization, security tagging, metadata capture, and lineage of data being ingested into big data environments or the cloud. No coding is required to ingest data. Fuse is a self-service data transformation tool that takes business terms previously defined in a business glossary and automatically applies it to the data. This allows users to search and consume data faster with the trust that it is enterprise-ready. Fuse expedites the development time for large-scale data integration projects by 75%. The first step in the pipeline is data ingestion. Cornerstone ingests all types of data automatically via batch, streaming, and direct-to-source methods, and can support extremely complex files, including COBOL and mainframe data sources. Cornerstone first lands the data into any big data environment, including Hadoop, NoSQL, or the cloud, in its raw format for audit and lineage purposes. Then, Cornerstone technically standardizes the data and moves the data to an analytics zone. The data is now structurally consistent, making it easy for any analytics tool to quickly consume the data for data science or ad hoc analytics. Then Fuse takes over. Based on business glossary terms previously defined, Fuse automatically moves the data to a curated zone, while physicalizing an atomic data warehouse. The data is now locked down, with more security and business rules applied to make the data the single source of truth. From there, Fuse lets users create their own consumer zone to serve any enterprise use case, including risk and regulatory, finance, and marketing, while pulling from the same consistent and governed dataset. Next Pathway's data manufacturing pipeline provides companies with a flexible and open architecture, where each component can be separately deployed and customized to meet the specific requirements of the company. The pipeline's unique features help companies get to market faster through automation, while keeping costs down and avoiding vendor lock-in through its open architecture and extensible platform. Next Pathway is accelerating the path to data consumption. Contact us today to find out how.